Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find new and undervalued cryptocurrencies on Binance. So just tap on my Binance account and officially logged in. Now I will be just move in the home icon, which is top left corner bottom. So when I was tapping it, and here you will see the new listing. So this is the new coins of listed in Binance. So here are all you will see the prices and all the chart by tapping on any coin. And if you want to see the undervalued coin, you will just tap on this losers, just tap on it, and these all are undervalued, and this is was a down coin in price. So it's very easy and simple. You will just tap on the home icon and just tap on the new listing for new coins. And if you want to see undervalued, so just tap on losers. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.